Over time, not only has humanity continued to change, but so has the technology we use every day. We work hard to improve both ourselves and the tools we have to use to be more productive and live hassle-free lives. We've witnessed inventions over the past couple of years that at the time seemed impossible, but as time passed, we grew accustomed to these technological advancements. But we continue to make use of them today. Now in 2022, it's time to reveal all of those amazing new inventions. However, it is challenging to choose which one's the most remarkable given how inventive the world and the people in it have grown. We witness a wide range of innovations including electric automobiles, smartphones, and spaceflight. Therefore, in order to make things a little bit easier for everyone, I made the decision to compile this list of the most incredible innovations that'll exist in 2022. However, I'm aware that many more products are available than the ones I'm going to describe, many of which I've probably never even seen. However, the ones I listed are still pretty incredible though. .5G network. The 5G network is finally being used this year. Despite the fact that it isn't precisely a 2022 creation, it was only a concept that was impractical to carry out in 2019 and in all the years prior. The year 2022 will mark the year when 5G becomes a commonplace feature of our world. But what exactly does having access to 5G mean? This new mobile network installation will give users access to substantially faster mobile and internet connections. But how is this any different than 4G or Wi-Fi? It'll certainly be more dependable in the future because it's faster than 4G. Folding screen. Curved glass has been used in smartphones for the past 10 years. Because of this function, smartphones are now more intriguing, opulent, and expensive. It's astonishing to think that glass could be curved at such a small size and an acute angle, but as time passed, the curve became even more pronounced. In fact, it was astounding just to think that the display beneath the glass could bend to such an extent. As things began to flex even further, many businesses and creative individuals came up with the concept of creating foldable displays. That first looked unattainable to many, as it most likely did in the beginning, but it was made practical with adequate investment. Handheld live translators. We have seen folks employing odd devices that let them translate any language in a lot of old movies and TV shows. The characters in the TV show Star Trek frequently employed such a tool to speak with various aliens or people from distant planets. The technology would instantly translate everything the alien said. Well, it appears that such devices will be available in 2022. Having some means of communicating in foreign languages makes sense as international travel becomes more affordable and simple. There are currently a number of choices for these live translators. A number of companies, including Ectico, Puomi, Pocket Talk, Burgus, and others, offer real-time translations into numerous languages. Wireless earphones. It seems as though that concept had been lost for a long time. However, it appears that a lot is changing in relation to this wireless technology. Since the 2016 release of the AirPods, practically every manufacturer has been trying to replicate their strategy. Every day, new models of wireless earphones are introduced in many varieties, and what makes this significant for 2022? Well, I initially considered Bluetooth earphones to be a novelty. The audio quality was average and the battery life was not particularly spectacular. They weren't able to provide what wired ones could. 2022 saw a shift in that. UV Sterilizer. The quality of wireless buds has improved significantly, possibly surpassing that of conventional ones. Businesses are pouring a lot of cash on this innovation. This explains why technology has advanced so rapidly in recent years. Numerous instances have also demonstrated the relationship between the phone and the earbuds. Additionally, the battery is superior and lasts twice as long, and the fact that they can be wirelessly charged makes it this much cooler. There were a ton of other inventions made in 2022, but I believe these are the most amazing and impressive ones.